Puerto Vallarta has no shortage of all-inclusive resorts, but not every property is going to deliver the vacation you actually had in mind. The difference between a forgettable stay and the trip of a lifetime often comes down to one decision made before you even pack a bag. In this video, I'm ranking 9 of the best all-inclusive resorts in Puerto Vallarta, so you know exactly what you are walking into before you book. Let's get into it. Number 9. Flamingo Vallarta Hotel and Marina. Kicking off the list at number 9, and this one is for the traveler who wants to be in Puerto Vallarta without spending like it. Flamingo Vallarta Hotel and Marina sits in the heart of Marina Vallarta, surrounded by luxury yachts and just minutes away from the area's top attractions. It is not a beachfront property, but the marina setting gives it a character that straight beachfront hotels simply do not have. Rates start around $52 per night, making it the most budget-accessible entry on this entire list. The hotel offers free Wi-Fi, an outdoor pool, a restaurant with breakfast buffet, a poolside bar, a fitness center, a kids club, and a snack bar. Rooms include a private balcony, air conditioning, safe, and room service. It runs 96 standard rooms total, which keeps the atmosphere quieter and more personalized than the larger resort properties further up this list. This property sits at number 54 out of 155 hotels in Puerto Vallarta overall, with a 3.9 rating across 849 reviews. The value score sits at 4.0 and the location score at 4.2, respectable numbers at this price point. Number 8. Playa Los Arcos Hotel Beach Resort and Spa. Location does a lot of heavy lifting at number 8, and here it earns every point of its 4.8 location score, the highest location rating on this entire list. Playa Los Arcos Hotel Beach Resort and Spa sits directly on the beach in Puerto Vallarta's romantic zone, one of the most walkable, charming, and culturally rich neighborhoods in the entire city. If being steps from local restaurants, boutique shops, and the energy of Old Town Puerto Vallarta matters to you, this placement is hard to beat at any price. Rates start around $92 per night. The resort offers a beachfront outdoor pool, heated pool, adult pool, kids pool, hot tub, full spa with massage and facial services, yoga classes, a restaurant with breakfast buffet, poolside bar, snack bar, and evening entertainment. Rooms come with a private balcony, air conditioning, flat screen TV, safe, and complimentary toiletries. The honest trade-off here is room quality. The rooms score 3.7, the lowest on this list, and some travelers note dated furnishings and inconsistent room conditions. The location and beach access carry the experience, so go in with calibrated expectations on the room itself. Number 7. Canto del Sol Puerto Vallarta. Number 7 is built for a very specific traveler, someone who does not come to a resort just to lie on a beach chair all day. Canto del Sol Puerto Vallarta sits right on Banderas Bay in the center of Puerto Vallarta's hotel zone, and its all-inclusive program is one of the most activity-packed on this list. A championship tennis club with 4 outdoor clay courts and 4 covered courts, windsurfing, water polo, tequila volleyball, dance lessons, and a full kids club. This property treats activity as a feature, not an afterthought. Rates start around $172 per night with breakfast included. The resort offers a beachfront outdoor pool, poolside bar, swim-up bar, full restaurant, kids club, evening entertainment, aerobics, a business center, conference facilities, and a spa with couples massage. Rooms include air conditioning, flat screen TV, safe, and ocean views. The location scores 4.4, and cleanliness follows at 4.4, with an overall rating of 4.2 across 5,403 reviews. The room score sits at 3.8, worth noting if room quality is a priority for your trip. Number 6. The Westin Playa Vallarta All-Inclusive Resort. This one comes with a brand name and a loyalty program that can genuinely change what you pay. The Westin Playa Vallarta All-Inclusive Resort recently underwent a full redesign, rolling out 281 renovated suites. Some with swim-up pools, others with private plunge pools, all fitted with the signature Westin Heavenly beds the brand is known for. It sits minutes from downtown Puerto Vallarta and the airport, with an 18-hole golf club nearby for travelers who want that option. Rates start around $339 per night. Amenities include an outdoor heated pool, hot tub, full spa with couples massage and steam room, 6 dining venues plus 4 outdoor options, a swim-up bar, poolside bar, fitness center, kids club, evening entertainment, beach access, conference facilities, and a botanical cocktail bar. Rooms come with a private balcony, flat-screen TV, minibar, refrigerator, and ocean or pool views. The overall rating sits at 4.1 across 2,552 reviews. Value scores of 4.0. Some travelers question whether the pricing matches the full experience, particularly with construction affecting certain on-site amenities. That is worth factoring in before you commit. Number 5. Villa del Palmar Beach Resort and Spa. Sitting on the soft sands of Banderas Bay and close to the center of downtown Puerto Vallarta, Villa del Palmar Beach Resort and Spa is the family resort on this list that punches well above its price point. 2 freeform pools, 3 dining options, a full spa, a kids club, evening entertainment, and a beachfront setting, all wrapped in a property that blends Mexican tradition with modern comfort. Rates start around $116 per night, and the resort offers free high-speed Wi-Fi, a fitness center, heated pool, hot tub, sauna, poolside bar, airport transportation, concierge, currency exchange, and a full salon. Rooms come with a private balcony, kitchenette, microwave, refrigerator, flat-screen TV, safe, and ocean views. The kitchenette in particular is a genuine advantage for families traveling with young children. The overall rating is 4.5 across 9,251 reviews. Value sits at 4.3, service at 4.5, and cleanliness at 4.5. Some travelers note the rooms can feel dated and flag additional fees at checkout. Read the full cost breakdown carefully before confirming. Are you looking for a family-friendly resort or an adults-only escape? Drop it in the comments. It will narrow this list down significantly for you. Number 4. Dreams Vallarta Bay Resort and Spa. 4 spots from the top, and the list shifts into a different tier entirely. Dreams Vallarta Bay Resort and Spa operates on an unlimited luxury concept where every suite, every meal, every drink, and every activity is included with no wristband tiers and no upsell pressure once you are checked in. It sits 5 minutes from El Malecón, Puerto Vallarta's famous boardwalk lined with shops, restaurants, and bars, which gives guests easy access to the city beyond the resort gates. Rates start around $364 per night, with breakfast included. The resort offers 327 suites with ocean views, ground floor swim-out suites with direct pool access from a private terrace, an open-air lobby on the 3rd floor, 7 dining options including 4 a la carte restaurants, 5 bars including swim-up options, a nightly music lounge, a dinosaur-themed explorers club for kids ages 3 to 12, a core zone teens club for ages 13 to 17, a 14,000 square foot eco-friendly spa, tennis courts, a fitness center, and over 6,000 square feet of meeting facilities. The overall rating is 4.5 across 9,215 reviews. Service scores 4.6, cleanliness 4.6, and location 4.6. Some travelers note crowding around the pool areas and occasional extra charges. Confirm the full breakdown of what unlimited luxury covers at your specific rate tier before booking. Number 3. Velas Vallarta. 3rd place goes to a property that has earned the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice Best of the Best distinction for 2025, which puts it in the top 1% of hotels worldwide. Velas Vallarta sits on the oceanfront golden sands of the Mexican Pacific, offering 345 suites decorated in authentic Mexican decor, and its all-inclusive concept goes further than most on this list. A daily stocked in-suite minibar, 24-hour suite service, a pillow menu, unlimited premium spirits served throughout the property, a lazy river, 2 restaurants, a swim-up bar, a kids club, a full spa, tennis courts, evening entertainment, and a concierge, all included. Rates start around $301 per night. The resort also offers a fitness center, heated outdoor pool, poolside bar, aerobics classes, fishing, diving, table tennis, and business and conference facilities. Rooms come with a private balcony, kitchenette, microwave, minibar, refrigerator, flat-screen TV, and ocean views. The overall rating is 4.7 across 5,258 reviews. Value sits at 4.5, service at 4.8, and cleanliness at 4.8. Some travelers note potential additional fees. Read the full all-inclusive terms carefully before confirming your rate. Number 2. Fiesta Americana. Puerto Vallarta. All-inclusive and spa. Second place belongs to one of the most complete resort experiences on this entire list. Fiesta Americana Puerto Vallarta, all-inclusive and spa, sits on Banderas Bay with the Sierra Madre Occidental Mountains as its backdrop, and it delivers on nearly every metric. Location scores 4.8, service scores 4.8, and cleanliness scores 4.8. Across 8,752 reviews, that level of consistency is not an accident. Rates start around $345 per night with no prepayment needed. The resort offers a heated outdoor pool with views, a swim-up bar, a poolside bar, multiple restaurants including a kid-friendly buffet, a full spa with body wraps and couples massage, a fitness center, evening entertainment, a kids club with indoor and outdoor play areas, a video game console area, conference facilities, a coffee shop, and private beach access. Rooms come with a private balcony, blackout curtains, flat-screen TV, minibar, walk-in shower, and ocean or pool views. If you're ready to stop browsing and actually book something, I've linked the best current resort deals in the description below. Compare rates, check what is included, and book directly from there for less. Number 1. Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway. Number 1 on this list, and it earns that spot for a reason no other property on this list can claim. Villa Premier Boutique Hotel and Romantic Getaway is the only adults-only resort in this ranking, and that distinction shapes everything about the experience. No kids club, no family buffet lines, no shared pool with floaties. Just an intimate, elegant, oceanfront property designed entirely around couples and sophisticated solo travelers seeking something quieter and more personal than a traditional mega resort. Rates start around $257 per night with an optional all-inclusive plan. The resort offers a private beach, ocean view rooms and suites, a heated adult pool with swim-up bar, a full spa with couples massage, body wraps, facial treatments, steam room and salon services, a restaurant, bar and lounge, yoga classes, fitness classes, a sauna, hot tub, diving, canoeing, hiking, and butler service. Rooms come with a private balcony, whirlpool bathtub, minibar, bathrobes, soundproofing, and ocean views. The overall rating is 4.7 across 5,415 reviews, the highest on this list. Service scores 4.8, cleanliness 4.8, and location 4.8. Some travelers note limited sun lounger availability and mention that certain rooms could use updates. Worth keeping in mind when selecting your room category. Puerto Vallarta has a resort for every type of traveler, and now you know exactly which one is built for yours. If you found value in this video, you're gonna love this next one.